Now, if there's lightning, you might want to watch out for the shovel. Yeah, there's lightning. Yes, that's what you need to watch out for.
Alright. Does it give you any warning?
Yeah, it'll say you have to drop it.
Oh my god, it almost got you. It was on the side.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's about to hit the...
Fuck, oh my god, our
Did we
ship
just...
lost power.
Did we just lose power?
Our ship just got lightning.
What do we do now?
Do we have a generator?
Alright, watch out for the engine, because it'll you have to drop it constantly. I don't know if this is gonna blow me up either, so...
Okay.
Was it this way?
Let's see, we came over this hill. Yeah, I think we just keep going straight and it's gonna be to our
Something's
left
about
a little
to
bit.
blow up.
Something's happened.
Is it me or you?
I
Yeah,
don't know.
it's me.